What is going on, guys? We are working on the Jeep again. As you can see, I am taking off these automatic running boards. The further I got into this, the worse it got. I mean, the way this wiring was done was horrible. They used all these little adapters that just poke into the side of the wire. The driver's side running board would only come up about 75% of the way. I thought it just probably needed oiled or something, and it doesn't. It's just the gear in the motor is worn out. So these things are garbage. So we're gonna get these things off here. But as I started digging into this wiring, I'm finding all kinds of things. So I thought this would be a good time to jump in and kind of show you just an example of chasing down a wiring problem. So this Jeep has also got an aftermarket backup camera. It didn't work when I bought it. The previous owner said they thought water got in it because it would just occasionally quit working when it rained and whatever. What I found is it works. I think it was just a connection problem because once again the wiring in this thing was just a nightmare. So we're gonna see if we can tidy that up a little bit. But I kind of want to show you this little tool I made. I actually did a video on it. I will throw a link above if you're interested in making one. It's inexpensive. I 3D printed a box for it, and I run it off Milwaukee batteries. And basically it allows me to dial in, I can put an 18-volt battery in it, dial that in to however much output I want, or I can also throw an M12 in there. That's what I'm doing here. And then I can dial in how much voltage and how much amps I want to come out of it. And I'm actually using that to run down some wiring issues here. Lots of other ways you can do this. If you have a power probe, great. This works awesome. This is just my DIY version of it. You could also run, leads from your battery down, but then you end up with a bunch of, wires and everything. You don't know if you get a good connection back there. So once again, let me just show you exactly what we're doing. So this is my little box. Once again, that video I linked. If you want to build yourself one of these, it's super handy. It'll show you how much power you've got going in, and then you can dial these two knobs to change your voltage or amperage coming out. Now, once again, the wiring in this thing is terrible. I mean, got wire nuts in here, all kinds of things. But what I figured out is basically you've got a couple power wires. One's actually an accessory, so that's supposed to get power with the key on. This one appears to be a all-time power. You've got some grounds, and then you have got a signal for when you put the vehicle in reverse. So let me get this all set up, and I'll show you that the system actually worked. Before I pulled it all apart, none of this was working. But my plan was to just rip it all out because I didn't think it worked. But now been able to test it, and I know everything works. So I think if I can just tidy up this wiring, I think the system will work, and we'll have a backup camera. Okay, so all I'm going to do here is I've got my setup here. I've got my two ground wires hooked to my ground. I can take my two power wires, hook them to my power, and then I've got this actually set at 12 volts out, and it's about half 0.6 amp output. Didn't want to do much. You don't want to blow the system or anything. So once we get this hooked up, what we can actually see is a light up on our rear view mirror. So that is the first sign. So we see green light up there. Then actually what I'm able to do is just take what would be my signal for my reverse lights, give it power, and then if we look back up here, see if you can see that, there we've got our backup camera. So power off, we put power like we're putting it in reverse, and there we get our backup camera. So once again, if you want to build one of those, super easy to do. Helps tremendously on things like this, any kind of wiring issue. I originally built that thing to power and air pump to air up air mattresses when I'm out and camping and stuff. But it works great for these kind of scenarios as well. So I know it's a quick one, but I thought I'd throw it out there. It's pretty beneficial. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and see you guys next time.